approaching 100,000 miles on the odometer. Right as we are nearing the state lines. It looks like we are going to miss the state lines by a half mile.
99.5. That's crazy.
Oh wait, we haven't actually crossed it yet. Let's see. We are going to hit the restroom, so we'll get in that lane. Alright, let's see. 99.7.
9.8.
Is it 8?
Technically, we're in no man's land between
states.
and Florida.
Alright.
99.9.
I think we're actually going to flip
there's the
over,
welcome to
still
Florida
in
sign.
Georgia.
100,000.
382 on.
Welcome to Florida. Literally
Yep. Right
on
at the welcome
line.